Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000 Trail Edition. We've just about doubled MSRP with accessories alone on this unit. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. So let's start right up on the front. So with the front of the machine, the Trail Edition does come with that front bumper, the sport front bumper from Kawasaki. We have added the 8-inch K-Glow light, the A-arm guards. It does come standard with the Warren 4,500 pound winch. We do have the Kawasaki glass windshield with the windshield wiper and washer fluid kit. Of course, you've got those phenomenal 35-inch Rockzillas on the stock wheels. The sawtooth side mirrors from Sector 7. The K-Glow upper light bar with Kawasaki mount kit. The Kawasaki premium roof. Gotta love that premium roof. The Trail model does come with the sport roof. We've upgraded to the premium on this one. You also have that 17-inch Kawasaki rearview mirror with the built-in dome light. The dome light is detachable. On the underneath side, we have installed the full SSS off-road skid plate that wraps up around the side. We did make this work with the factory Nerf bars that do come on the Trail model. You will need to drill some holes. Lower trailing arm guards from Kawasaki. On the inside, starting off with the cab seal kit. The cab seal kit has been done upright. If you've not seen our video on how to enhance your cab seal kit experience, check it out. The Viper machine shift gate. Click 6 retractable harnesses from Kawasaki. Rear speakers. Kawasaki rear polycarbonate hard-coated rear window. Switches galore. Let's turn this baby on. We do have the interactive display from Kawasaki. Starting over here on the left, windshield wiper, washer fluid kit, Sector 7, that's the side view mirrors. This is your standard headlight, low beam, high beam. This is for your front bumper K-Glow light, 38-inch light bar. Over on this side, 4-wheel drive selector switch, low power switch, winch switch, rear backup lights with K-Glow. We've also got the heater kit installed. This is the functionality between your face vents and heat defrost on your feet, and the lighted whips with rock lights all integrated in together. With that fabulous interactive display, you do have front and rear facing cameras. You can play around with your music. You can pull up your maps and trail system. There's where the cameras are. You got settings of the display, all kinds of different looks that you can go with on the interactive display. Up here under the dash, you've got your place to charge your phone, as well as a 3.5 millimeter jack. Of course, your navigation receiver there. We did make the 35-inch fit on the Kawasaki spare tire rack. The Y-strap to hold that 35-inch down. You've got the KRX Tailgate Cargo Box. The sport rear bumper comes standard. And mount kit along with the 2-inch receiver hitch from Super ATV. Do you notice anything different on this side? Ah, yeah. Can anybody tell me whose exhaust this is before we do a sound clip? Let's see what your skills are on your KRX exhaust. I did mention the Ryco Street Legal Kit. This is the new upgraded kit. With the Ryco kit, it does tie into the stock tail lights. We do have those indicator lights on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. There's your sawtooth. Very nice. And your headlight replacement kit to give you that sweet custom look on the front. Good visibility from the front and the side. And it ties into the stock tail light housing in the back, utilizing all those bright LEDs in the back. With the exhaust upgrade, that full system, it does have a Dynajet controller. What do you think? Is it ready for Moab? 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What are we missing on this build? Pretty well loaded up. Oh yeah, can't forget the heated seats. Low, off, and high. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Again, 435-427-3338. Let us know what we're missing. What would you add to this build? Could we get this build over 50 grand? Probably. Have a great day, everybody.